Yo guys, hello, I'm eating sugar apple today for the first time.
Wait lang. Asan yung suka?
This is what it's look like
Wait lang.
when it's not half.
Tomorrow pa bukas? O papabukas ng mundo? Eh, sabi niya. Sabi ko, kumamili. Uy!
This is what it look like when it's
Mag-DND muna pa.
half now.
Pag di makauwi ng Alexa, puntahan na, hindi. Sabi niya. Mabalik na lang.
Ano kainin? How to eat?
Suka.
This is the tutorial how to eat it. If you see that look like this, eat it first.
Mas nalulan yung buto.
Tagal, wala kasing ngipin.
Okay na yun.
Ano ba? Okay, after you eat I think the organoid. This is what it look like when it's not now.
Yan yung suka nito.
When you peel.
If it look like half, it's not still finished. You just keep eating.
Keep eating. Bakit daw sugar apple? Pause mo muna. Matamis na apple. Sugar ano sa loob.
And why is it?
Oy, teka lang, hindi siya naka-play, oh.
Ay,
Sabi mo,
magkano po?
why is it called sugar apple? Because inside parang may pagka-rough, may pagka-sugar. Sugar, ano? Sugar
Apple.
taste. Hindi.
Sugary taste.
Sugar, ano yung rough ng sugar?
So guys, why is it called sugar apple?
Why?
Because it's when you taste it, it's rough. Look like the bone. Sorry for that.
Bone seed. Bone seed yun. Bone.
From the bones seed.
Seed. Sa seed.
And matamis ata siya or hindi. Hindi ko masabi yung taste.
Maasim.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, sim. Stop na yan.
Ito ba?
Natin